If it has rained recently, you might be wondering how all this extra water is going to affect your home. One thing to consider is the health of your crawl space. If your crawl space is not properly waterproof, moisture can get into your crawl space and cause the wood underneath your home to warp. When the wood warps, your floors can begin to sag. So you may be wondering, if your floors are sagging, is it necessary to fix the issue right away? We will discuss this topic in this video. Hi, I'm Nolan and I'm the Director of Sales at AccuLevel. Sagging floors is an issue that is typically caused by moisture in your crawl space. This moisture can cause your wooden beams to warp, distort, and break down over time. There are ways to fix the issue of sagging floors, but is it necessary to fix them immediately? Let's tackle that question. When there is a buildup of moisture in your crawl space, the wood throughout your crawl space will warp, distort, and even rot. This might not seem like a major issue at first, but the longer the moisture is in the crawl space, the more the wood will warp over time. It might not seem important to fix a slight slope in your floors, but if you wait too long, this issue could become much larger and be much more costly to fix. At AccuLevel, we are able to fix sagging floors with crawl space jacks and steel I-beam. Installing one crawl space jack is much cheaper than installing many jacks and a few steel I-beams. By waiting to fix a small sag in your floors, you could be costing yourself thousands of dollars down the line. If you have questions about your home's foundation or sagging floors, give us a call to schedule an appointment with one of our project advisors. You can also go to our homepage, AccuLevel.com, and click the Book a Consultation button in the top right corner. Fill out the form and we will contact you within the next business day. Do you have questions about moisture in your crawl space or sagging floors? If so, please leave them in the comments below and we'll be happy to answer those questions for you. Check out the description for more videos and blog articles on crawl space and foundation repair. We noticed that about 99% of the people who watch our videos are not subscribed. So if you could take a second to like and subscribe, we would greatly appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching.